Okay, good day, class. Okay, you can now open
Good
your
day,
cameras
teacher.
and your microphones.
Good day,
Good day,
teacher.
teacher.
Good day, teacher.
Okay, thank you
Good
so
day,
much
ma'am.
for your response. Okay, kindly turn off your microphones now. And before we begin our lesson today, let's take a moment to thank God for this day and ask for guidance in our activities. So, can I call Anna to please lead a prayer?
Let us all pray. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Dear Lord, thank you for bringing us together today. Please bless our minds so we may learn and understand new things. Help us to be kind and respectful to one another. Guide our words and actions as we learn new things today. Keep us safe, happy, and healthy. We ask this in your name. Amen.
Okay, in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay, once again, good day, class. Good day again.
Good
Good
day,
day.
teacher.
Good day,
Good day,
teacher.
So
teacher.
happy to see you here today. So before we begin,
Yes.
let's make sure that we are ready to learn. So please fix your hair and make it neat. Sit properly and find a comfortable spot where you can listen and participate well. Okay, so are you all settled? Can you give me some virtual reactions if you are settled? Okay, I think everyone is ready. So before we check your attendance, let's keep your energy up. So we will watch a fun video about greetings and feelings. So it is a sing and dance song that will help us practice saying hello or greeting and telling how we feel politely. Okay, so this song is entitled The Hello Song. So first, I will sing and dance with a video so you can see how it is done. And after that, we will all together sing and dance with a video. Okay, do you understand? Can I get some reactions? Virtual reactions, please, if you understand. Okay, why is Chan sad? Okay, am I understood? Okay, I'm gonna play the video. Okay, so first I will sing and dance with the video. And then after that, we will all together dance and sing with the video.
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
Okay, now it's your turn. Now it's your turn to sing and dance or do the actions on your own. So don't be shy. Just do your best and have fun. Okay? So remember, the important part is practicing how to greet and share our feelings politely. So please open your cameras. Okay. And sing and dance with a song. Okay? Okay, sing and dance with the video.
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful.
Okay, sing and
Hello,
dance with me.
hello, hello, how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
For the last
Hello,
time.
hello, hello, how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
Okay, wow. Can you give yourselves a virtual round of applause? Okay, give yourselves a virtual round of applause. Okay, thank you so much for singing and sharing your feelings through the song. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, do you now see the presentation? Can you give me some heart reactions? Okay, very well, dancers and singers. Okay, now for our attendance. Okay, I want you to comment in the chat box with an emoji that shows how you feel today. Okay, so are you happy, excited, or maybe a little sleepy, or maybe hungry? Okay, so comment an emoji that shows what you are feeling today. So that will serve as your attendance. Okay, can you now comment the emojis that shows what you feel today? Okay, there are two responses. There are three responses. There are three students present. Okay, how about the others? Okay, there are four students present in the class. And I can see that someone is feeling angry. Selwyn, why are you feeling angry? Are you really feeling angry or hungry? Okay, Anna as well, and Raven and Elmore is feeling happy. And Chan is feeling frustrated and amazed. Okay, how about the others? Okay, so I think there are five students present in our class today. Okay, so thank you, class, for sharing how you feel today. I can see that most of you are happy, some are mad or frustrated. I don't know why, but I am glad that you are here. So, your presence and participation make our class more fun and meaningful. So, before again we begin our main activity, so let's review our house rules to make sure that everyone feels safe, respected, and ready to participate. Okay, so we have the word friend to help us remember easily our online space rules. So I hope that you keep these online class friend rules in your mind to keep our class safe, happy, and a friendly place for everyone. Okay, now that we are ready, let's begin our first activity. Okay, so remember, we are here to help each other and have fun while learning, okay? Do you understand? Can I get some reactions? Okay, so let's get started. So in this activity, I will show you some pictures and each picture shows a situation. So first, you will guess what is happening in the picture. Then we will talk about the situation and you will share What would you say if you were in that situation and why we should say it that way? So don't worry, you can first say it in your own language. So you can speak vernacular or you can speak in Bisaya, okay? And I will translate it and together we will try speaking it in English. Okay, are you ready? Can I get some virtual reactions if you are ready? Okay.
Yes, I'm born ready.
Okay, so since you are very ready, let's start with our first scenario. Okay, what do you think is happening in this picture? What does this picture tells us? Okay, Anna. Anna is raising her hand.
Kan, kan teacher, kanang ni-hello siya siyang friend or classmate.
Okay, so this picture tells us or shows us a situation greeting a friend. Okay, so if you were the friend, how would you respond? If imong friend ni hi nimo, how would you respond? Anyone? Okay, Chan.
Give back a hi if nay nag-hi
Okay.
nimo.
We respond by saying hi or hello back. Okay, that's good. So why is it important to greet our friends back if they say hi or hello? Okay, Elmark. Elmark is raising his hand. Why do you think is it important to greet our friends back, Elmark?
It is important to greetings a friend is like showing a respectful I respect to each other.
Okay, very good. Responding or greeting hi or hello back to our friend shows friendliness and respect. Okay, can we give Chan, Anna, and Elmark a virtual round of applause? Okay, how about scenario number 2? What does this picture tells us? What is happening in the picture? Okay, any other hand? Okay, Elmark is the first one to raise his hand here. So what is happening in the picture, Elmark?
The happening in the picture is the girl is like naghatag siya og gift sa iyang friend like I think kanang birthday like that.
Okay. Thank you so much, Elmark. Okay, so this situation shows receiving or giving a gift. So Elmark is right. So if you were the one receiving the gift, what would you say? Okay, any hand? Anna. If you were the one receiving,
I will accept.
okay, what would you say if you received the gift?
If I receive the gift, I would thank for it.
What will you say to your friend that gave you the gift?
Thank you for the gift.
Okay,
I really appreciate it.
Okay. So when we receive a gift, we say thank you. Or if we are the one who gave the gift and our friend our friend says thank you, we respond with saying you're welcome. Okay, can you say thank you? Can you open your microphones and say
Thank
thank
you.
you?
Thank you.
Thank
How
you.
about
Thank you.
you're welcome?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Okay, that's good. Okay,
I appreciate it.
let's
I
move
appreciate
on
your
to,
gift.
okay, let's move on to scenario number 3. Okay, Raven, what does this picture tells us?
She want to go to the restroom.
Okay, so basically, this situation or picture tells us about asking permission. So, if you were the teacher, how would you respond if your student is asking permission? If your student is raising her hand to ask permission? Okay, Chan. So you have to be fast in raising your hands. Okay, Chan, how
What
would
is
you
it, ma'am?
how would you respond if you were the teacher? How would you respond if your student is asking permission or raising her hand?
I will wait.
Okay, you can speak Bisaya or you can speak in vernacular if you are
Ako
having a hard
siyang
time.
ako siyang sugtan, ma'am, if moadto siya sa restroom.
Okay,
Ayun.
so thank you so much, Chan. So we respond politely as well, or we will answer go ahead or yes, you may. Okay? So why is it polite to ask permission before doing something? Why is it important for students to ask permission? Okay, I see Elmark raising his hand.
Um, um,
Oh,
Asking permission is showing a respect to each other. Like the teacher is the one that to say to, oh, you may go, or like what to naka, like that.
okay, thank you so much, Elmark. So good answer. Asking permission also shows respect. Okay, can we give Raven, Chan, Elmark, and also Anna, I guess? Okay, Anna, a virtual round of applause. Okay, let's now move on to the second to the last scenario. Okay, how about this picture? Any other hand? Okay, Selwyn, I saw your hand. What does this picture tells us?
The students are greeting the teachers good morning. The teacher good morning.
Okay, so this picture tells us about greeting the teacher. Okay, so if you were the
Yes.
students, what would you say? Would you do the same? What would you say if you saw your teacher in the classroom? Okay, any other hand? Okay, I see Elmark again. Elmark, what would you say if you saw your teacher in the classroom? Would you also do the same?
Um, I would say, good morning, teacher. Nice to see you today. Like that.
Okay,
Greeting the teacher is very important to the our in our school, because
learning.
that's commonly in our.
Okay, thank you so much, Elmark. So, what a very comprehensive answer from Elmark, no? Okay, so when we see our teacher, when we saw our teacher, so we should greet politely as well. Because greeting our teacher shows respect to the teachers. Okay, for the last scenario number 5. Okay. Chan, what does this picture tells us?
Mura silag nagbunggo, ma'am.
Yes.
I
Okay, let's try to find out. But
or
I said yes
fighting.
already. Okay, so this picture tells us about a situation bumping someone accidentally. So if you were this boy or you bumped a friend accidentally, what would you say?
Sorry.
Okay, Chan. Okay, we say
Sorry.
okay, we say I'm sorry. That's good. So why do we say sorry if we hurt someone? Anyone? Okay, Elmark. Okay, you have to.
um saying I'm sorry, like that the picture happens, bump someone, like that. So saying I'm sorry shows respect to each other. Then like, if di ka magsorry, like ang kanang nabanggaan, like murag siya ma angry, like malagot nimo kay wa ka nagsorry, like wa kay
Yeah,
respeto niya.
that's right. Very good, Elmark. So saying sorry shows that we care about others or our friend, 'di ba? So we cannot kanang di ta mosugot nga masuko lang ang atong friend nga ato siyang na bump accidentally. Okay, so thank you class for sharing your ideas. So did you have fun? Can I get some
Yes, ma'am.
reaction?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, did you learn something? Okay, you can now
Yes.
lower.
Yes,
You can
ma'am.
now
I
lower your
learned
hand.
about
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
Okay. So, thank you for sharing your ideas and for trying your best to use polite words and greetings in our activity. So, I really appreciate how you listened and responded to each picture, and you did a great job. Now, let's think more about what we just did. So, you all used different responses and expressions in the pictures, and let's talk about them together. So, I have here some questions. So, ready your virtual hands? Okay, this is the first question. So, have you experienced any of these situations we saw in the pictures? So, I need you to react thumbs up button if you have experienced any of those situations. Okay, I think everyone experienced that, right? Now, for the next question, can you share a can you share one situation and can you share what you said in that situation or what words did you use? Okay. You may now raise your hand. Okay, I see. Okay, Chan. Can you share one
Um,
situation and what did you said in that situation from the previous pictures that we I have shown you?
um, say a sorry. Like, ni-respect ka sa imong isang katawo.
Okay,
Like,
what happened at that time? Did you bump someone?
yeah,
Okay. Thank you
my
so
classmate.
much for sharing that one. So, Chan experienced bumping someone, and then what he did is that he said sorry. Okay, so that's good. Next question. So, what would happen if you did not answer politely? So, if Chan did not say sorry, what would happen? Okay, I see. Okay, Raven. It's so good to hear from Raven. So, what would
Masuko ang
happen?
tao na imong nabungguan. Ay, sakto
Yeah,
ba?
that's right. So, maybe your friend or someone you bumped accidentally will get mad or they will feel like they are not respected. Okay, so next question. Thank you so much for that, Raven. So, why do you think polite greetings and expressions are important in our daily lives? So, why is it important? Okay, Elmark. Okay, remember that you can speak in vernacular or in Bisaya and we will translate it together. Okay? Okay, why do you think, Elmark, polite
I
greetings?
think polite greetings and expressions are important in our daily life. To like nakay respeto sa like sa mga sa each other like ang mga tao maganahan nimo kay ikaw nga tao kay kusog kay kamo respeto sa mga ubang tao like that.
Okay, thank you so much, Elmark. Thank you all for sharing your experiences, right? So, um, polite greetings and expressions are important in daily lives so that we can feel respected and we can also show our respect to others. So we can see that using polite greetings and expressions is not only for the classroom but also for everyday life, right? So have you experienced that not just only in classroom? Can I get some reactions? So it's not just in classroom but also in our everyday life. So when we say words like hello, thank you, sorry, or good morning, we make others feel respected and happy. That's why today we will learn about more about expressions and polite greetings we can use in different situations. So this will help us become more polite, friendly, and respectful in our everyday conversations. So, let's start with common expressions. Can I have someone to read? Can I have someone to read what is on the screen? Okay, Anna.
Common expressions. Common expressions are words or short sentences we use every day to show respect, kindness, or friendliness. We use them when we talk to our family, friends, teachers, or even new people we meet.
Okay. So, common expressions are words or short sentences we use every day to show respect, kindness, or friendliness. And we use them when we talk to our family, friends, teachers, or even new people we meet. So, for example, have you ever said thank you to someone? Can I get some heart reaction? Okay. So, when do you usually say it? Okay, you may open your cameras right away. So when do you usually say thank you? Okay, Chan,
Yes, ma'am.
when do you usually say thank you?
To my friend,
When? What are instances that we can respond with thank you? Okay, when someone give us a gift, right?
yes.
Okay, so very good. Okay, so thank you is a common expression. It makes people feel happy and appreciated. So let's look at other common expressions. Okay, so we have here, you can now lower down your hands. Okay, so we have here, thank you, I'm sorry, excuse me, and please. Okay, so we say thank you when someone helps you or gives you something. And we say I'm sorry when you make a mistake or hurt someone. And we say excuse me when you want to pass by or get someone's attention politely. And we say please when you are asking for something kindly. Okay, so kindly open your microphones and let's practice using common expressions. Okay, are you ready? Can I get some heart reactions?
Yeah, go, go, go.
Can I get some heart reactions if you are ready? Okay,
Hard,
so
hard, hard.
what do you say if you accidentally step on someone's foot?
You say I'm sorry.
I'm
I
sorry.
will say
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Okay,
I'm
can we
sorry.
all together say I'm sorry?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Okay, how about
I'm sorry.
what do you say if you want to borrow your classmate's pencil?
Can I borrow?
Can I borrow your
Please.
Excuse
pencil?
Okay, again, Selwyn.
Borrow pencil, please.
Okay, we use the word please. So, can I please borrow your pencil or may I please borrow your pencil? Okay, for the last one, what do you say if your mom gives you a snack?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
Okay, can
you.
everybody
I
say thank you?
appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
ma'am. I
Thank
appreciate it.
you.
Okay. Now that we know how to use common expressions, okay, turn off your microphones now. Let's move to another way of showing respect through polite greetings. Okay, can I have someone to read? Okay, Elmark.
Polite greetings. These are special words we say when we meet people or when we leave. Greetings make others feel welcome and respected.
Okay, thank you for that, Elmark. Okay, so polite greetings are special words we say when we meet people or when we leave. Greetings make others feel welcome, respected, and happy. So, for example, when your teacher enters the class in the morning, what do you say? Anyone? Okay, Anna?
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, thank you so much. So, we say good morning. How about when you see your classmate after lunch? That's after lunch. If that is in the morning, that's good morning. How about after lunch? What do we say, Selwyn?
Good afternoon.
Good
Did
afternoon.
you eat
Very
already?
okay. That's good. So if you're yeah, excellent. You're all very polite speakers. So let us look at other polite greetings, examples of polite greetings. Okay, so we say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening when you greet someone in the morning, after lunch, and at night. Okay, when we greet someone in the morning, we say good morning. When we greet someone after lunch, we say good afternoon. And when we greet someone at night, we say good evening. Okay, do you understand? Am I fast or do you
Yes,
understand?
ma'am.
Do you understand? Give me some heart reactions. Okay, so we say hello or hi when we meet or you meet your friend somewhere. We say goodbye or see you tomorrow when we are leaving or you are leaving. And when we ask about how someone is feeling, we say or we ask, how are you? And when someone asks how we are or how are you, we say, I am fine, thank you. Okay, so to wrap up, common expressions shows helps us to show respect and good manners. They make our conversations kind and friendly, while polite greetings make others feel respected, noticed, and cared for. Okay? So remember that these words are not only for the classroom but also for the real life. So we can use them with their family, classmates, and teachers every day. So I will remind you that let us always be polite and respectful when we speak because kind words make a big difference. Okay? Okay, can I get some reaction?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so did you learn something? Can I get a thumbs up? Okay, that's good to know. So now let us proceed to our activity. So in on our previous discussion, we have emphasized the use of polite expressions when expressing our feelings and concerns. Now it is your turn to practice polite greetings and expressions on your own. So we will play a game called Expressions Roulette. Okay. So here are the instructions. Okay, listen carefully, everyone. Okay, I want your attention here. Okay, so we will use a roulette. Are you familiar with roulette? Are you familiar with roulette? Okay, it's a spinning wheel
No,
with many
ma'am.
colors. It's a spinning wheel with many colors. Okay, so we will use a roulette to identify what scenario to respond to. So there are 10 scenarios or situations in the roulette, and we will spin the roulette. So whatever scenario is given, you will respond to it, okay? So I will choose the first student to answer using a name picker. So I will pick the first student, okay? And you should respond using the correct English expression depending on the scenario given by the roulette. So as you answer the scenario, mention the name of the classmate that you want to answer next. Okay? So mura siyag message relay. Do you understand? Okay, so example here. So if I will spin the roulette and the situation says a friend says happy birthday. Okay, so if the name picker chooses for example Anna, so Anna will say, "Thank you, Raven." Okay, so if Anna wants Raven to answer, Anna will say or use Raven's name. So thank you, Raven. Okay, that's how you respond in the situation given by the roulette. Okay, do you understand? Do you understand, everyone? Okay, so when you respond to the situation, use the name of your classmate that you want to answer next. Okay? Okay, so again, remember that you can try your best. This time, you try your best in speaking English, even if you are unsure. Okay, so we are learning together. Just be confident. Don't be shy. Okay? So are you ready? Can I get some reactions? Do you have any more questions and clarifications about
No,
the
ma'am.
instructions in the game?
I'm already born ready.
Okay, I think none, and I think that you are more than ready. Okay, so I will pick the first one. I will pick someone to answer the scenario. Oh, let me. Okay, so here it is. Okay. Salwin, do you see your name? Did you see your name?
Yes, teacher. I don't have a
Okay, you will be
choice.
the first one to answer our situation.
Yes.
Okay,
Am
so
I
here,
teacher?
yes, you are audible. Okay, so here are our 10 situations. So, if kung unsa ang mapili sa ruleta, you will respond to it. Okay, do you understand?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so I am spinning the ruleta now. Okay, Selwyn, a friend waves goodbye at the end of the class. How would you respond?
Goodbye and take care going home, Anna.
Okay, Anna, goodbye and take care going home, Anna. Okay, so Anna, thank you so much for that. Selwyn, can we give Selwyn a virtual round of applause, please? Okay, so Anna, you will be the next one to answer our situation. Okay, I will spin the roulette now. Okay, Anna, someone says, "Excuse me," because they need to pass by. How would you respond?
I'm sorry. Yes, you may.
Okay, we respond. Okay, who who are you talking to? Or which friend? Who is the friend you want to call next? But yes, you may. Who? Call a friend.
Yes, you may, Almar.
Okay, yes, you may. Elmark. Okay, can we give Anna a virtual round of applause? Okay, can we give Anna a virtual round of applause? Please hit the virtual applause button, everyone. Oh,
Teacher, your microphone is off.
okay, I'm sorry. That's why you can't hear me. Okay, so let's give Anna a virtual applause. Okay, so Elmark will answer next. Okay, I'm gonna spin the roulette. Okay. Elmark, you accidentally bumped into a classmate. How would you respond?
I would respond, I'm sorry, Raven.
Okay, I'm sorry, Raven. That's good. Can we give Elmark a virtual applause? Okay, so Raven will answer next. Okay, Raven. A friend says hi when you log into the online class. Okay, so your friend saw you and your friend says hi. How would you respond, Raven?
I'm gonna say hi, Chan.
Okay. Hi, Chan. Okay, can we give Raven a virtual applause? Okay, so Chan will answer next. That was a good
What is it, ma'am?
response. Okay. Okay, Chan.
Patay ko.
Okay, your teacher asks, "How are you?" How are you going to respond, Chan?
I'm fine, teacher. I'm doing great.
Okay, I'm fine. Thank you, teacher. Okay, thank you so much. I think everyone is cold, right? So let us give Chan a virtual applause. Okay. So, thank you so much, class, for participating so actively. I'm very proud of you, and I am happy to see how everyone tried their best to use polite greetings and expressions in English. You did a great job greeting your friends, saying thank you, and apologizing when needed. So, very well done. So, how did it feel to greet someone politely or say thank you? How do you feel?
Happy.
Can you hit the reaction button of how you feel when you greet someone politely? Okay, you feel happy. Okay. You feel overwhelmed. Okay. So why is it important to use polite words with our friends, teachers, and family? Can I have someone to answer?
To show respect.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Elmark. I'm happy that you're happy, Elmark. Okay, I'm happy also, Raven. So Raven answered to show respect. Okay, so can you remember a time when someone greeted you or said thank you? Can I get some heart reactions? Can you remember a time when someone greeted you or respected you as well? Okay, so how did it make you feel? Hit that
Happy.
reaction button. Okay, Raven. Raven feels happy. Okay. So excellent answers, class. You can see that using polite greetings and expressions make others feel happy and respected, and as well as ourselves. Okay. So remember, these are words that we can use every day, not just in class, but also at home and when talking to friends online. Okay, so thank you so much for listening and participating, class. Give yourselves a virtual applause. Okay, can you see it on your screen or not yet pala? Okay, wait for a while. Okay, can you see it now? Can I get some reactions if you can see it on your screen now? Okay, so you will type on your browser kahoot.it. Okay, so I will send a game pin when once everyone open the website and when everyone is ready. Can you now open the website? So everyone is here. Chan, Raven, Mark, Anna, and Selwyn is here. Okay, so I will start the game. And before I'll start, so again, there are 10 questions for you to answer, and it has multiple choices. So multiple choices from A to D, and you only have 1 minute to answer each question. So just raise your hand if you have any questions, okay? Okay, so remember to read each question carefully and choose the best answer. Okay, are you ready? Okay, I will
Yes,
start.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, can you go back to the Google Meet and leave the Kahoot?
The Trika Chan.
Okay, so our top three is the leading place is Selwyn, second place is Anna, third place is Chan, fourth place is Raven and Elmar. So it's okay. I know you tried your best. Okay, can you give yourselves a virtual applause for trying your best? So here is your assignment. Okay, let me read the instructions first. So think of three common expressions or polite greetings you have learned in the class. So examples, the hello, thank you, I'm sorry, saying good morning, and saying goodbye. So you think of those polite greetings. And then with the help of your family, make a short video. So a 1 to 2 minute video showing how you use these expressions naturally in a conversation. So example, greeting your parents, thanking a sibling, saying goodbye to a family member. So remember to speak in English as much as possible, okay? And make sure that everyone in the video can be seen and heard clearly rather. So submit your video through our messenger group chat. So just ask help from your parents. And reminders for this assignment is to be polite, kind, and confident in using the expressions. So have fun and make it realistic, just like how you use these words in real life. So the deadline of submission
Excuse me, ma'am.
on October 23, 2025. So 1 week after this day. Yes, Raven, any questions?
Okay, your friend.
Yes, it's okay for a friend to join in the video. Okay, so any questions and clarifications about the assignment?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I think none. So that's it for today, class. I hope that you have learned something today and you will use it or apply the common expressions and polite greetings in your everyday life. So thank you so much for participating. Class dismissed. Goodbye, class.
Bye,
Goodbye.
teacher.
Bye, ma'am.
Teacher.